In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google to enhance your video editing skills with Filmora. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, this guide will help you navigate the essentials of splitting and enhancing your videos using simple tools and features available in Filmora. First, let's start by heading over to Filmora. Open your web browser and type in Filmora's website in the address bar, or you can simply search for it using Google. Once you're on the main page, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, you can easily create an account by following their straightforward sign-up process. With Filmora ready to go, let's dive into splitting your video. Splitting your video is a basic yet powerful technique, allowing you to trim parts you don't need or rearrange sections to better tell your story. To begin, you should have your video footage imported into Filmora. Once that's done, you'll want to locate the timeline, the area where your video clips are displayed in sequence. Select the video clip you want to split by clicking on it. You'll notice a cursor mark or playhead. It's that little vertical line that moves when you play the video. Move this playhead to the exact point where you want to split your video. It's like using scissors. The playhead is where the cut will happen. When you're exactly at the right frame, right-click on the video clip, then choose Split from the drop-down menu. Your video is now cut into two separate clips. This allows you to manipulate each section independently, whether you want to apply different edits or effects. Now that your video is split, let's enhance it using the crop and pan and zoom feature. Click on the second video clip that you've just created and look for the crop option in the toolbar. Clicking on crop gives you a range of tools to adjust the framing of the video, but what's even more exciting is the pan and zoom feature. This feature is fantastic for adding a dynamic touch to your video segments. Select pan and zoom after you click on crop. You'll see starting and ending boxes on your footage. These boxes dictate how the zoom effect will animate within your video clip. Adjust these boxes to focus on what you'd like your viewers to see, whether it's zooming into a key detail or panning across the scene to follow the action. After arranging, simply click Apply to save these changes. This simple yet effective technique can drastically enhance the visual storytelling of your video. Once you're satisfied with your edits, take a moment to preview your work. You want to ensure everything flows smoothly and looks just as you envisioned. If everything looks good, you can proceed to export your edited video. And that's it. You've successfully split your video and enhanced it using Filmora's tools, all easily accessible and straightforward to use via Google. Thank you for watching and happy editing.